I've just mixed up this grout now. I'm at the next stage. Grout her up, chuck. This is not a shiny tile, it's a sort of a matte finish tile, so I need to have my grout just a little bit moister or wetter, whatever word you like to use. So it's a little bit softer. I was down on my knees mixing it, so I stay down and I'll do all the bottom. See how it's drying as I put it on. That's all right. No biggie. Any little bits of glue, as you come across them, you just sort of knife them out. It's Friday today. I don't have to try and finish this tonight, like I'll be pretty close, but I'm back here on Monday because I've still got the laundry to do and a separate toilet and another bathroom, so I'll be here for another couple of weeks yet. So the pressure's not on, I don't have to finish it. I've got the plumber coming in on Monday to fit off and to roughen my laundry. Have that ready. I'll be here still on Monday. I can, if he's in here, I'll be in the laundry. If he's in the laundry, I'll be in here. So it's all good. I've just done around the top, so I'll come back to that on Monday because it won't be dry enough. Won't be dry enough today to do it. Look at this. Yo. I won't leave it too long before I wipe it off either. but I don't have to wipe it off straight away. Not with a wash boy. I still see people using a sponge and water. A wash boy is a sponge and water too, but you don't even get your hands wet. Like, it's awesome. To be streak free and that sort of thing with a wash boy, you just change your water. And give it another wipe off. And you're laughing. I'll use a nice light grey silicone, which is exactly the same colour as this grout. This grout's called Misty Grey. I get it from the hardware store. It's convenient. I hardly ever visit tile shops these days. There's always a hard store, a lot more handier than a tile shop. Right, I'll get my wash boy, start wiping it off. I'll do that as well, and then I'll get to and take out those wedges and then grout that, and we're laughing. See ya. This is Chriso. There's always heaps to learn. Hopefully you guys are learning.